Employment Hero Payroll's award update process protects your compliance status. Our implementation team has guided businesses through every major award change, from SCHADS to manufacturing. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to check for available updates, apply new rule sets, and manage template changes. Plus, you'll learn our verification process to ensure every employee transitions smoothly to the updated award conditions. So we're going to navigate to the payroll settings and then to the manage awards section. You can see that the awards need an update as the status will be set to updates available. So then to apply these updates, we want to select actions and apply updates. You'll then be provided with a series of yes or no questions. Update rule set. You want to have this set to yes so that any new rules or rules that need to be updated will update. Update pay rates. You want to have this selected as yes also. This is so that any pay rates which require to be updated will be updated. In the case that only one rate needs to be updated, such as an allowance, only the allowance will be updated and the rest of the rates will stay the same. Where you have employees' rates that are overridden, you will be able to see this in a message on the top section here. It'll give you a list of any employees whose rates are overridden. If you need their rates to be updated along with the award, they will not get overridden by the award update, so you'll have to manually adjust this. Reapply leave allowance template to linked employees. We want to set this to yes as well. This is so that any updates to the leave allowance templates will be pushed out to any employees linked to those leave allowance templates. Preserve custom rule set period. Again, we want this to be set to yes. Where you have your rule set period adjusted differently to the system default, we want to ensure that this remains the same. So once that is all good, we can select install and accept. The install will probably take a couple of minutes, so we'll just leave it to go ahead. So once the update has completed, we can go back to the manage awards section and we can see that the status has changed from updates available to installed. If you have any issues or questions, just reach out to us at the support inbox or give us a call.